I'm not gonna lie, Jello makes me yak. Hey everyone, my name's Katt and welcome to my vintage kitchen. So I'm going to be making some Christmas cookies today. As you can already tell, half of them are cooling, some are still in the oven. I've been cooking them for probably about an hour because the batch that I made was so massive, it just took forever to cook. I'm going to be using my vintage original cookie and noodle cookie press, and it is by far the coolest thing ever. So I've actually tried working with this summer and it was a huge fail. I found that the batter was far too thick and it wouldn't actually press through the cookie press. So I ended up having to hand press it with just some cookie cutters. So I found it's called a Jello Spritz cookie. And so basically you make it with Jello. And I found that recipe. So I took it and I'm like, well, I'm going to make it, or at least try to. And so I had to do a couple modifications in order to get it to work properly for the cookie press. But it definitely turned out, and it's super fun. So I'm going to post the recipe as I'm going along the bottom, and just going to have some background music playing. And then I'll interject a few comments and things as I'm cooking along in the video. And if you have any questions or anything, just give me a shout down below. And yeah, let's get started. I shouldn't have put the whole pack in. Whatever. It actually worked out way better than it did the first time. So I'm gonna switch the design now from this like fleur-de-lis to kind of like a starburst, and we will make some more. It is so Christmassy. I'm just seeing the star. Oh, that's awesome. so fun. Look at flowers. Ah! Okay, it's actually pretty good. At first it's kind of dry, but then you get that big hint of like Jello, but not like gross Jello, but like I used cherry in this one, and I actually can taste the cherry, like the big punch. I'm like, oh, it actually tastes pretty good. Can't wait to try the lime one, see how that one tastes. But I'm actually really impressed. You guys, the green ones look like little wreaths. Oh my god! It's crazy because the lime ones actually smell like lime coming out of the oven. It's a little bit, it's weirding me out a little bit, just a bit. Let's see how messy I can make this kitchen. Let's see if I can make everything look like it's had snow dumped on it. So we'll just kind of put a little bit of ice and sugar in this flour sifter, and probably not like, you know, the most clean way to do it, but why not? It's Christmas. Kind of like my idea is to have like your other cookies and then have the pop of color of the like red and green. So I think it's kind of good. I have to add a few more, but yeah, I think it's kind of fun. Super cute sort of look. I just kind of took these cupcake holders that were like Christmassy, kind of packed a couple in there and then packed a few around. So add a couple like little chocolate bits, maybe some like Lindor chocolates. It's gonna be really cute and fun to give to somebody. You guys, the green ones, they taste like Fruit Loops. That's so funny. Everybody, thanks for watching. This was super fun. I was looking forward to doing this actually for like weeks. Just trying to like find some really colorful cookies to put in different cookie sort of arrangements and stuff. And also finding an original recipe that was a little bit different. I'm actually going to try another recipe. I'm going to make ginger molasses cookies with the cookie press and see how that turns out. But yeah, so got my drink here. Let's try one of these red guys. I used cherry jelly. I used cherry Jello for this. And it tastes like candy. For the green ones, I already told you guys how these taste, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised because I was a little nervous to use green Jello in a cookie. But yeah, it tastes just like a Fruit Loop. Alright, well thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for some more vintage Christmas cooking videos, as well as other vintage Christmas videos. And subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I look forward to hearing from you. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it entertaining. Alright, bye guys.